has conducted this 3 days TOT program. It was very successful program, and we have got the opportunity to learn so many things about critical care. And I would like to thank on behalf of my Panadayama Savarthi Nursing College to conduct this kind of program.
Very highly privileged that TNAI gave us this opportunity. They taught us many things regarding critical care unit, like hands-on sessions, simulation labs, and they help us to in improving many our skills. And
We appreciate it because I learned lot of things related to simulation, which can be implemented in the nursing colleges, as well as in the healthcare systems. And I request all the nursing fraternity and the professional, they must come to TNAI visit and be the part.
Field work they are doing, the organization and the team work they are doing is very good, and it is excellent in my knowledge, and it is quite good. And what they have been doing is really appreciated.
हमें ECG के बारे में बताया गया, ECG को रीड कैसे करते हैं, ECG के में एबनॉर्मलिटी कैसे फाइंड करते हैं. हमें म्यूज के बारे में बताया गया, म्यूज का यूज करके हम पेशेंट का अर्ली डिटेक्शन कर सकते हैं. अगर कोई पेशेंट क्रिटिकल कंडीशन हो रही है पेशेंट की, उसका हम होने.
I would recommend everyone to come here once and learn and grow and expand their knowledge.
I am also a PhD, but some skills when I came here, I know means that something was missing in my competency also. So means I am really giving my heartfelt thanks to TNAI.
devotee for exclusive for nurses to make the next level of emerging the leaders in the simulation centers.
Very good training program they are giving to us, and the first day they are taking our pre-test and training also. Even the second day they are giving skills, and the simulation program is so much wonderful.